Hello everyone! Today we are going to solve a quick geometry problem that tests your understanding of line segments and set theory. Specifically, we need to find the intersection of two segments. The question asks, which of the following is the intersection of segment AC and segment BD? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's look at our diagram. We have a single line with 4 points arranged in order: A, then B, then C, and finally D. Before we solve this, let's define intersection. In geometry, the intersection of two shapes is simply the set of points that they have in common. Think of it as the overlap. Step 1, let's visualize the first segment, segment AC. This segment starts at point A and travels all the way to point C. It includes point B along the way. Step 2, let's visualize the second segment, segment BD. This one starts at point B and travels to the right, ending at point D. It includes point C along the way. Now for the solution. Look at where those two colored lines overlap. The segment AC stops at C, so nothing to the right of C is in the intersection. The segment BD starts at B, so nothing to the left of B is in the intersection. The only part that they share is the space starting at B and ending at C. Since the entire stretch from B to C is the shared overlap, the correct answer is segment BC. I hope that helped simplify segment intersections. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe for more math walkthroughs. See you in the next one.